That's that 120 music.
What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I hope you guys liked the video of the Road Glide and the Road King yesterday. We got them things pretty much all settled in. Got a couple more parts to get on this thing, but that is not the reason why we're tuning in today, man. You guys seen the title of the video. Yes, we have a new 2017 Road Glide special coming to the garage, man. I can't wait to check this thing out and see how it looks on the pictures. It doesn't look too bad, but it had a few things that I never dealt with before, so we'll have to attend to that when we get the bike and see how it's looking. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special back here or my Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, our transporter just hit. It says he's a few hours out, man, so I'm gonna check out this Road Glide right here in the meantime, and then we're gonna see that new thing pull up, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, man, I done made some space. I done wiped off Bay. Man, this thing is looking oh so clean. This thing is so nice. I love the color wave on this. It just worked out oh so perfect to me. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Let's see. She already know what's up. Yeah, we ain't gonna start it. So I don't want the garage smoky, but our transporter said he just around the block. As much as I want to ride that thing today, man, our other one should be here in a sec. Our transporter said he was not too far away, man. So let's catch this pull up, man, hoping this bike is A1 in A1 shape, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Here we are, y'all. Fucking, that thing look cold right there. Ooh. Got the trailer on the back. It ain't playing. You know what time it is, man. Yes, sir. With the joint in the back. We ain't playing, dog. It's time to go up, man, all the way from Houston, Texas, with the joints. Y'all see what's going on. Oh, it's a lady today. How's it going? You towing this big old trailer? That's crazy. Dang, you like our first like lady transporter. That's wild. Yeah, that's wild. I've never seen a lady transporter before. That's nuts. How's it going? Nice to meet you.
Good. Nice to meet you as well.
Dang, so like this like your normal job, or you just like filling in for somebody?
This is my normal job.
Wow. All right, y'all see it here first, man. I'm a YouTuber, so don't mind the camera.
Got you.
That's nuts. Okay, bet. I can dig it. Let's see. And then I can help you move it out too.
Thank you.
Y'all see it here first, man. She done came all the way from Florida. That was our first lady transporter. Wasn't expecting her to hop out at all. But here we have it. 2017 Road Glide Special. Clean title. Oh, it's got a 2-into-1 pipe. I don't know what kind of pipe that is, but it's got the 2-into-1. Oh, 2-in-1 S&S pipe. That should be cool. She's out of here, man. Good looking out. I definitely appreciate that. But now I'm back to the bike. Doesn't look too bad. Fenders toast. Crash bars whooped, of course. A couple other broken parts up here, but got some cool floorboards there. Got some aftermarket Screaming Eagle spark plugs. I'm digging it. I can dig it, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. It's time to get this thing cleaned up so we can get it up in the garage, see what's going on it. 'Cause it's got literally no juice, no nothing. But we got the key here, so we'll see what happens, man. But before we before we wash it, man, I want to see if we can get any power to this thing. Now, I don't see a key fob on this one, but I've seen the key, so I don't know. We're gonna have to check it out. We got our freaking hand controls and stuff right here. Got to put them back on. Got to get it together, man. I can't wait, dog. All right, so we got our battery pack hooked up. Oh, snaps. That thing turned on quick. Thing turned on pretty quick. We got some tunes. Okay, we got some tunes. We got some tunes. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. 1 second. It's different. I'm sure if we get this thing on the battery, it'll freaking go right. Right now, it's just like, I don't know, we're gonna see. Alrighty, man, it is time to get this thing cleaned up. This bike is dirty as heck. I found a seat to throw on there just to cover some stuff temporarily. We're gonna be using this seat, I guess, because everything else I got is like super huge and fat. She over there falling in the rocks. We're gonna get this. You ready to wash it? You ready to wash the motorcycle? Come on, let's wash it. Gotta get the water hose. Yeah, get the water hose. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing cleaned up, or at least looking half decent, man. We only came up on one Talon wheel, so guess I'll be selling that one by itself. But I seen a freaking huge spider back there, threw me all the way off. That thing was huge. Spider webs and everything on this bike, man. Doesn't really look too bad once we take the crash bar off. That front fender, it won't look that bad. The back is actually in pretty good shape. Now, we do have our hand controls here. So we'll probably pop these on there. So I don't know why these are off. So we'll see about that real quick. I think that little control is here. And then I did get the hand controls looking a little better. I got them hand controls on there. It's only gotta get another one of those. One of those screws is like snapped off in there, so we can either get an extractor or just get a whole new piece. I'll probably end up getting an extractor. It'll be that much easier. This side, not too bad. We can probably snatch this crash bar off real quick, and then after that, the fender from there, we should be able to get it started, get it on full juice, and see what happens, man. I might even just bring the jack right here. Now that I'm thinking about it, it might be a little easier. Guys, we got our crash bar off of there. It's looking a whole lot more complete now, looking a lot better. We got the fender off also. Just all the little damaged parts and stuff before we even put it in the garage. Looks a whole lot better already. Our hand controls is off the Richter scale. We got these ones straightened out. We got this one on there by one screw, but we will be getting that one fixed. No big deal there. Everything looks pretty good on this side. I'm trying to get it started now, y'all. It's pretty clean. got the bags off and stuff, so I'm gonna offload it off the jack and see if we can get this thing started or something. Alrighty, we got our jumper bikes plugged directly to our battery. Let's see if we can get some action now. This one might have a key fob that we don't have, so we got to get the pin for it. At least that's what I'm thinking. All right, so this is the first time we have to deal with this. This bike has a key fob security system to it. I mean, we don't have the key fob, man, so we have to go to Harley and get a key fob made for it. So that's going to be a task in itself. Meanwhile, we have yet to hear first startup, man, so I really don't want to work on it too much until I do hear it run first, but we'll see what we can get here done in the meantime, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, now that we know that we need a key to freaking start this thing, man, I'm about to load this thing right on up, take it to Harley, see if they can crack the code. If not, we'll be having to get a whole new like security system for this bike. It sucks, but it'll be worth it. We'll have a bike and it'll be ours, and it'll be ready to go sooner than later, man. You guys know my style. I can't wait. We already got a new inner and outer fairing on the way. That should be here in a couple of days, and that's black, so we can probably keep this bike black for the meantime and just get it all the way right. I got a color in mind, but I don't know. We'll see. But in the meantime, we're about to load this thing up on the truck and get it up out of here, dog. Harley, nice 2017 Road Glide Special with the S and S 2-into-1 pipe. It's got some Screaming Eagle stuff, so it might have a stage 2 or something, man. It's got the huge air breather on there, man. So they spent some time on this one, man. So hopefully when we get it back, it'll have that dun-dun. Just pulled up to Harley. Time to offload and get this thing running, man. It's time to get this thing started. I can't wait to hear this pipe. Alrighty, man. We done got that thing offloaded. Got it in here. Can't wait to get this thing running and started. That 2-in-1 S&S pipe is gonna sound amazing, and it's got the headers on it and stuff too. So bike is not in that bad of a condition. Inner and outer fairing should change this thing right up, and some wheels. Oh man, I can't wait. And yes, that's the sound of the garage closing, man. We done made it back to the house, dropped the new 2017 Road Glide off at Harley so they can break the code on that so we can get that thing started running, see if it has any goods on it. I know it's got a pipe on there. I'm hoping it has some other goods in there, like a cam or something, you know, just hoping. But we should have that thing back in a couple days, man. I can't wait. What did you guys think about today's video? Didn't really do too much but clean it up and get it looking decent, but you guys already know, man, my taste goes a long way, man. So I already got a color in my head, an idea for this bike. I can't wait to see if we go through with it, man. If you guys haven't, though, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide Special back here or my Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and copy you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat. That'll be your entry into the giveaway. All the hats will be shipped out when the giveaway is sold out. So go ahead and head over to everythingsregular.com and get your entry. Man, one hat will give you the chance to win either one, my 2020 or my 2014 Road King. Buy 2 hats, you might be lucky enough to win them both, man. So the choice is yours. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, though, dog. Peace.